What's up guys, it's me Rodney Marquez. Today's video is gonna be a spotted bay bass fishing video. It's gonna be a 1 vs 1 with the only JBfishing.
What's going on, fishing fans?
So the incentive today is I got a nice brand new Pacific reel. So if JBfishing right here beats me with the longest 3 bass combined, then he gets a free fishing reel. You ready
Do it,
for the challenge?
I'm not sure what I'm gonna throw yet, but I know I'm gonna be throwing the drop shot around, probably a fluke or a small swim bait or something. So hopefully I can win the challenge, and let's do this thing.
Let's go. If you're able to. You want to do it?
I'm down.
All right,
let's do it.
So we got 2 hours of fishing here in beautiful Harbor Island. All right, my tactic here, guys, is actually to use the skateboard, fish all along Harbor Island, try to get as much surface area. The rig of choice today, of course, is gonna be the drop shot technique. A size 1 straight worm hook on a 4-inch Berkeley Gulp mullet bait, chartreuse color, and then I'm using a good 2-ounce sinker weight so I can launch this bad boy as far as I can. All right, without further ado, let's go. So the technique I'm using right now is cast as far as you can, away from the rocks of course. Allow that 2-ounce sinker weight to hit the floor. And then as soon as it does, nice slow retrieval rate until you find a nice little bass. JBfishing on the board. Let's go. There you go. What are you using, man?
It's a camo color.
Camo?
Sandworm.
Dope.
On a little small drop shot weight too, only a 1/4 ounce.
Oh, dope.
Yeah.
So you're going really finesse. There you go.
It's about a little over 8.
Say 8.5 right here. Or 8 1/4.
Yeah, he's barely over.
8
You're not
1/4.
that big.
It looks big like this. Dope. Hey, nice catch, man. Hey, JB, here's one. Got it. Oh, sick. First one on the day. Seems pretty nice. Still on that drop shot technique. Oh, damn.
Hey, it's a toe.
Come here.
Dang, that's like illegal, huh? You think so? Close to it?
Probably close to it.
Fat one, look at the stomach.
Dang. Skateboard to the grass. There you go. Let's get it. Let's go third. Let's see. He's at 13 inches. Always sketchy. Trying to release the spotties here in the rocks. There you go. All right, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you. See ya. Woo, that's number 1. Dude, I'm in trouble. What'd you get, JB?
Nice little
Oh shoot, I'm screwed. 9.5.
First one was 8, the second one's 9.5, so that's 17.5 inches.
Dude, I'm screwed. I need to catch one. I need to hurry. 25 minutes left. Come on, skateboard, get me to the spot.
2 hours later.
Absolutely killing it today.
9-incher right there, boys.
Let's go.
They're right there. They're like schooled up in that eelgrass or something.
Yeah.
It's gonzo. Kept like,
This is gonna be my first time losing in a 1 vs 1 challenge. There you go.
oh, 10.
They say 10.
Almost.
No, it's 10. It's 10. Tip of the tail. Dope, dude. Good
That's
job.
24.
Update, guys. I'm currently losing. Been getting a lot of short bites here in Harbor Island. Got one nice one, 13 inches, but JB's killing it with the numbers. So what were you using today, man?
Today I was using this little camo color sandworm
2-inch camo color
with a 1/4 ounce split shot weight, and this hook, size hook right here. I kept getting short strikes, so I switched it up to a bigger size, just an owner hook.
Owner hook?
Size 1, yeah.
And on this guy right here?
Yeah, with a 1/4 ounce drop shot weight.
Dope.
So yeah.
Using what kind of test line?
4-pound test.
4-pound test?
4-pound test.
Dude, that was the
Trout
secret.
rod.
That's the secret. Try it here in Harbor Island, finesse fishing, JBfishing, how he worked his rig today, and you'll definitely get some numbers and maybe some
Definitely
quality.
an easy way to catch fish for sure.
Ooh, that was a tough grind, guys. That was it. That's it for today. 2 hours of fishing, 1 vs 1 against JBfishing, and the verdict was this guy won. right there. And the water was a little bit colder. I mean, it is like November, right?
Yeah.
So you were actually working it really slow.
Real slow.
Versus my technique was just a constant retrieval rate. So that may be too aggressive for these spotted bay bass at this time. So I mean, hey, he won the tournament against me, and not even, man, not even. If you want me to fish against this guy again, JBfishing, give me a comment below, give me a thumbs up. Let's say if we get more than 200 likes, then I'll go ahead and get a rematch against this guy right here.
Let's do it.
You ready for that?
I'll try a different technique.
Hey, maybe we'll do a freshwater.
Freshwater, that'd be cool.
Yeah, maybe an El Cap or something. Yeah, all right. My name is Rodney Marquez, and
JBfishing, check out my channel.
all right, I'll put a link in the description below. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya. Got one. There you go. Oh, it's right next to that dock. Feels like a nicer one. Can't really tell because of the... Oh, it is a nice one. Look at that.